So this is the latest aggravation. It's a 2005 1900 Golf with an intermittent misfire. It's been going for about 6 months. I've been plugging it in and clearing the fault, but the other day I just couldn't clear it and it went. So I thought, right, what are we going to do? So people said that it's the loom, wire and loom across the top of the engine, which basically is that thing there, which goes in under that cover and plugs in down there. If you can see it where my finger is, there's a big plug there, it plugs in there, the wire and loom plugs in there, it goes across the engine. I just hadn't got time to do it, so I took it down my mate's garage and they did it for me yesterday, and it's come back this morning all running perfect. But that heap of shit there has caused all that aggravation, so there must be a wire broken in there somewhere. So there you go. I hope that helps somebody out. Yeah, sorry, forgot to say that when I plugged it in, it came up with #1 injector misfiring. So not necessarily the injector, just the bloody wire in this case. Right, so another afterthought on this. I've just tested all the wires and they're all working perfectly, so there's no breaks. So I've just had a word with a friend of mine, and he said what happens is the oil breaks down the wire, and then the ohms level falls, which then makes the injector think that it's not getting enough power, so that it shuts off. So the new one, or the other one that I fitted, is now obviously a newer, better quality one, and it's working all right. So there you go.